In this lesson, we will understand what are char functions in C language, that means character functions. Let us understand with examples. So if you want to work with characters in C language, you can use the character functions. Through these functions, you can easily handle characters, like you can check whether a character is a digit, it is a letter, a new line, a space, even a punctuation mark, and others. C provided with a separate header file for character functions, that is ctype.h. If you want to work with the character functions, first include the header file in your program. Just like you include any other header file, hash include ctype.h. Okay, let us now see some examples. Here are some popular character functions used in C language. Through this you can check whether a character is an alphabetic letter, digit, a white space, and you can also convert a character to uppercase or lowercase. Now let us see the example. We will begin with the isalpha function. The isalpha function will check if the character is an alphabetic letter or not. So let us run the code on VS Code. Here is our VS Code. All our files are in the Amit project folder. Let us create a new file. Right click, new file, demo58.c. I'll add the comments. Isalpha function in C. Okay, let us add the header file also. I hope you remember we need to use the ctype.h for the character functions. Now our main function. Let us take a character. So I'll take, let's say, A, and now I'll check using the isalpha if ch is an alphabetic letter. Okay, for that I'll use if isalpha in the bracket mention ch, that's it. If it is an alphabetic letter, let's say I'll print true, or I'll print %c is an alphabetic letter. Okay, here I'll mention ch, correct. %c is for character, and mention else also, that %c is, I just copied and pasted it here, %c is not an alphabetic letter. Okay, let us run. Return 0, go to file, save, right click, run. A is an alphabetic letter. Okay, so let's say A was 1. Now I'll run, right click, run. 1 is not an alphabetic letter, right? So this is how we can work with the isalpha. I'll again change it to A. Okay, or let's say P, run. P is an alphabetic letter. So through this we can work with the isalpha. Now let us see the next, that is isdigit. Right click, new file, demo59.c. Now we have isdigit function in C. We will take the code from here. Right click, copy, right click, paste. So here are the header files. ctype.h is for the character functions, and similarly we will just, let's say, mention 5 here, and here is digit and the character. Okay, is a digit and it is a digit. Okay, go to file, save. Now what will happen? 5 is a digit, right? It will print 5 is a digit. Okay, using the following is digit function. Right click, run. Here it is, 5 is a digit. If you'll add a letter, if you'll add a letter, it will go to the else. Right click, run. Here it is, k is not a digit. Obviously. Okay, now let's say I'll again change it to 8 and run it. Here it is, 8 is a digit. Okay, so we understood the is digit function. Now the next one, right click, new file, demo60.c. Here we will check for a white space character using isspace. So is space in C. I'll take the same, copy, paste. Okay, isspace checks for white space characters, new line and others. So here I'll just add a white space. That means only a space. Check for white space. Space %c is a white space, and here it is not a white space. That's it. Go to file, save. Now since it is a white space, it will go here and print %c is a white space. That means a white space. Right click, run. Here it is a white space. As you can see, nothing is visible, so we can do one thing. We can add it like this. Now the codes will be visible. Right click, run. I guess this looks fine now. This is the white space, nothing in between. Right click, new file. Now the next example, toupper function in C. I'll take the same code. Okay, the header file for character, and within this I need to convert. So let's say I'll mention R in it, and I need to convert it to upper space. Convert to upper space using toupper. Uppercase of %c is equal to %c. Ch of R is equal to toupper ch. Now let us run it to understand. Save, right click, run code. Here it is, uppercase of R is equal to R. Small r, now the capital R. So in this way we can convert any character to upper space. Now the last example, right click, new file, demo62.c. Okay, in this we will see the tolower function in C. Similar method, but purpose is completely opposite. Here is the header file. Now I'll set it to, let's say, Q. Convert to lowercase of %c, and this is to lower. I should mention it like this, and for this also. Okay, this is the exact one. Now we will convert. The output will be small q. Run. Here it is, the lowercase of capital Q is equal to Q. In this way, we can convert any case to lowercase. So in this lesson, we saw what are character functions in C language. We saw some examples to check whether a character is an alphabet, digit, white space, and we also saw other examples. Thank you for watching the video.